Hi guys, so welcome to another exercise for still the same topic of word problem or solving word problem. And this time we are at example number 5 on the slides that I uploaded on your BBL. So for a certain experiment, a student requires 100 milliliters. So let me just write the details. So 100 milliliters, okay, of a solution that is 11%. That is 11% of hydrochloric acid. Now, the stored room has only solutions that are 5% and 15% hydrochloric acid. Now, the question is how many milliliters of each? So, we need to get milliliters from the 5% and another milliliters from this 15%. Okay? So, how many milliliters of each available solution should be mixed? So, they need to be mixed. If that is the case, then our operation is addition. To get, okay, so we need to get the 100 milliliters of 11% hydrochloric acid. So now that we have our details on the board, what we need to do next is to assign the variable. So now we need to know, or we need to identify how many milliliters should we get from 5% and then from 15% to get the 100 ml or 100 milliliters. So now let X be the milliliter from 5% hydrochloric acid, and let Y be the milliliter from the 15% hydrochloric acid. So in short, if this is the analysis that we get, then your X plus Y should be equivalent to 100. Okay? Now, if we want to get first what the value of X is, then what we do is, okay, so we transpose it on the other side, then X becomes 100 minus Y. So we will use this as we proceed with our solving the problem. Okay. So it says here that, so we need to add this 0.5. Okay. So when we change it into a decimal, so 0.5, what is the assigned variable? 0.5x, all right? Plus, okay, 0.15y. Okay, equals, so 11%, right? So 0.11 times 100. So this 100 is the ml. So again, because it says here 100 ml of a solution that is 11% hydrochloric acid. So it's 0.11 of that 100 ml. So now, since we have the value of X here, which is X 100 minus Y, then we substitute that 0.5 times 100 minus Y plus 0.15Y equals 0.11 times 100 is 11. Okay? Now we multiply 0.5 to 100, 0.05 to 100, and 0.05 to distribute this to negative Y. So that becomes 5, right? Minus 0.05Y plus 0.15Y equals 11. So this, not including the sign, okay. So this number should be transposed to the right side. So this becomes negative 0.05y plus 0.15y equals 11 becomes minus 5. Negative. So let me erase the first one. So we continue. Okay, so this negative 0.05y plus negative, so you subtract it since they have different signs. So it becomes 0.10y, okay, equals, so 11 minus 5, that's 6. So negative, so we need to eliminate the coefficient of 0.10. So we divide it to both end or both sides by 0.10. So to eliminate that, then we have 6 divided by 0.10, you get the 60. Alright? Now that you have the 60 there, then this one is the 15%. Remember, let y be the 15%. Okay? So here, then the 15%, we get 60 milliliters from that 15%. Okay? And then, now that we have the value of y, then we try to answer this one. Okay? So that's x plus 60 equals 100. X equals 100 minus 60. Then x equals 40. Thus, this one is the 40 milliliter you get from 5%. If you mix that following the original equation, which is x plus y, then that's 40, okay, plus 60 is equivalent to 100. So again, we get 40%, 40 ml rather, 40 ml from that 5% hydrochloric or 5% solution, and we get 60 ml from that 15%. And when we mix them, it is 100 milliliter of that 11% hydrochloric solution or hydrochloric acid. Alright, so that is our, that's how you get the solution for that problem. Okay? Let's have another exercise.